Hi Scorpios, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. For your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys, we are picking these cards. I also have a pick a card love reading right after this general energy, guys. So if you want more clarity, Scorpios, you can watch that reading, guys. So we have 5 of swords, 8 of wands, and wheel of fortune in reverse. So in your situation today, guys, Scorpios, you are facing lot of stress, obstacles, you are facing lot of difficulties in your situation, you have stress in your situation, maybe, guys, worries. It may be something in your career, or it may be something in your personal life. You maybe for some of you, you may feel stressed because the things you were expecting may not turn out as it should, or there are people whom you consider as your rival, or they consider you as their rival, so they are working against you. So some kind of difficulties because of that, guys. But I see that maybe in your career or in your life, you are moving towards a positive growth. So things are falling into place bit by bit. So some positive turn of events, you are progressing towards abundance and prosperity in your career situation, and you are putting in the efforts and you are reaping the benefits for those efforts. So some kind of a positive progress in your situation, a beginning of a new journey, a long journey, something you need, you will accomplish for sure, guys. So some positive return or outcome is there in your situation. So you are stepping onto that first step in that long and a happy journey that is coming in your situation. So it may be a beginning of a new project or a new love. So something that gives you happiness, something that gives you joy, contentment, emotional satisfaction, and it is giving you a lot of hope and faith in your future, and your circumstance is gaining momentum, speeding up. So things are simply falling into place, coinciding. You may see coincidences just when you are planning to do something. That completed task is there right in front of you, something of that sort, guys. So things are falling into place. That is what I see here. But you are facing some obstacles maybe, but still you have that confidence and skill to overcome all those troubles or all those obstacles today, Scorpios. So that is what I see with these cards, Scorpios, for your general energies. So these may relate to your career situation or your relationship, guys. So it may be a new beginning of love. So you may be in this connection with this person. Maybe right now you are stepping into a deep positive connection with that engagement or marriage with this person. So that is what I see with these cards. Scorpios, if you want more clarity in your situation, you can watch the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, it's going to be like a pick a card. This is your first deck and this is your second deck. So whichever pile comes to you first, you can close your eyes, think about your situation, or just be quiet for some time and then open your eyes and choose the pile that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start with this card after a few seconds. Okay guys, so let's start with the first set of cards here. So we have Ace of Suns in reverse, Two of Moons, and Lady of Suns in reverse. So with these cards in your situation today, guys, maybe today in this connection you have this may be your energy or this person's energy, so that love and compassion is there in this connection, kindness is there in this connection, but you cannot trust them totally because maybe for some of you they have their own ideas. Something is there in their mind. Maybe they are here in this connection because they have few things to say or say to you, or maybe their past has somehow making them really stressed, and they are here in this connection because they have left few things unsaid to that person, and maybe with this person they are kind to you sometimes, but suddenly they are bursting out harshly. So it may be because of their past, something is clouding their mind. That may be the reason they are behaving in such a way, guys. So with this person you may have that you may feel they're kind sometimes, but sometimes they are not. So you cannot have that total trust on this person, guys. But I also see that this card here, it is a very positive card. So maybe their behavior, maybe they have some preconceived notions about this relationship. That may be the reason they are behaving in such a way. But in this connection there is a possibility for marriage and a positive relationship. So if you are patient enough, you can wait till things sort out on its own, guys. So any problems that you're having today in this connection, all that is going to be reducing, guys, for you. That is what I see with these cards, guys, for those who have chosen this card, the first deck. That is the reading. So for those who have chosen the second deck, let's see what are the cards. So we have 10 of Water, Magician, and Hermit. So in this love, in this connection, you very well know in your heart of hearts not only your love or whatever intentions you have towards this person, that is not enough. You need some kind of intuition or inspiration, some kind of guidance, but that is there in your connection today, guys. So something is pushing you towards some choices today in your situation. So something you are thinking about something, maybe some important decisions need to be made today. So that is essential for your growth in this connection, guys. And maybe for some of you, you are changing the way you perceive this love, perceive this connection. Your perception is different. Maybe you understand what this person is feeling right now. You may have a clear understanding, a clear perception today, guys. So you have that acceptance in your heart today. Maybe certain things may not go right, certain things may go well in this connection, but whatever it is, you have that acceptance in your heart. That may be the reason that you are happy as you are in this love, in this connection, guys. So things may not be going as expected, but I see peace of mind and happiness because you have that unconditional love towards this person, guys. So that is the reading with this card, guys. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.